Hi dear children, hope to see you fit and active. Done with chapter 5, now we'll start with the chapter 6, addition. Addition means put things together, addition means combining, addition means joining. We'll start with lesson 6, addition. Open page 66, exercise 6.1. Addition of two-digit numbers without carrying. Here we'll do the addition but without carrying. Find the sum, question 1. But before starting this addition, I will tell you about addition, how to do this. Okay, now see this. This is a hand. First we'll count the blocks in this hand. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15. So in one hand we have 15 blocks. In another hand we have 15 blocks and total 30 blocks. So how we will do the addition with the help of this hand, I will show. See this question 1, 20 to 25. We have to add these two numbers. 22. Here in tens it's 20 and in ones it's 2. In second line, here in tens it's 20, in ones it's 5. So we start from the right side. First we add ones number. Okay, see this hand again. First we'll keep this number, a big number 5 in our mind. How we will do this? We have kept this number 5 in our mind and we start adding with 2. Like see, after 5 which number comes? After 5, 6 number comes. So first we have to add this 2 in 5. So in our hand we add 1 and 2. We have counted 1 and 2, 2 will come here. Okay. So after 5 which we have kept in our mind, the next number is 6. So we start with 6, 7. So what number will come here? Here it comes 7. 5 plus 2, 7. So next line, 2 plus 2, both are same. So we keep one number in our mind and other number we count. How? See, in our mind it's 2. So start with first we count 2 in this hand, in this finger. 1, 2. Okay. So the number which we have kept in our mind, that is 2. So after 2 which number comes? 3. So start with 3. 3, 4. So which number comes here? 4. So total is 47. I hope you are understanding what I am saying. So we'll do one more example. Come to the second one. First is 33 and second is 35. Start from the right side. Ones number we add. First it's 5 and it's 3. Again the big number we keep in our mind. It's 5. So after 5 which number comes? It's 6. But first we count this 3 in our fingers. Like see, 1, 2, 3. So we have to count up to this block. So after 5 which number comes? Which we have kept in our mind. After 5 6 comes. So start 6, 7, 8. So 5 plus 3, 8. Then 8 will come here. Now 3 plus 3. Again the same number. So one we keep in our mind and another we count on our fingers. So 1, 2, 3. 3 will come up to here. So we have kept 3 in our mind. After 3, 4 will come. So start with 4. 4, 5, 6. So 6 will come here. So the answer is 68. Come to the next one. 14 and 15. So from the right side, first we have to add 4 and 5. Again we keep the big number in our mind. So we have kept 5 in our mind and after 5 6 will come. So and this 4 we count it in our finger. So 1, 2, 3, 4. 4 will come up to this. And the number which we have kept in mind is that 5. After 5 which number comes? It comes 6. So start with 6. 6, 7, 8, 9. So 9 will come here. And 1 plus 1, you all know that 1 plus 1 is 2. So it's 29. So in the same way, we'll do the whole exercise and do the practice in our notebooks. So after this session, complete this full page in your books and do the practice in your notebooks. In exercise 6.2, I will tell you some points which you have to remember. So open page 67 first. The numbers can be added in any order. The sum will be same in both cases. See, 3 plus 5 is equal to 8 or 5 plus 3 is equal to 8. Both are same. Come to second. The numbers can be grouped in any order. The sum will remain same in all the cases. Third, when 0 is added to a number, the sum is the number itself. When you add 0 to any number, the number is the answer. See, 7 plus 0 is equal to 7. 18 plus 0 is equal to 18. So now come to page 68. Adding 1. 18 plus 1 is equal to 19. 22 plus 1 is equal to 23. When 1 is added to a number, when we add 1 to any number, the sum is the next number on the number line. See, 18 plus 1 is equal to 19. 22 plus 1 is equal to 23. So when we add 1 to any number, the answer is the next number. Now we'll start exercise 6.2, question 1, fill in the blanks. See, 3 plus dash is equal to 4 plus 3. So see, here it's a blank and in this side 4 plus 3. So which number is not here? 4 is not here. So 4 will come here. In next one, 18 plus dash is equal to 17 plus dash. Here it's 18, next side it's 17. So in this side which number is not here? 17. And in this side which number is not here? 18. So it is 18 plus 17 is equal to 17 plus 18. Come to next one, 29 plus 36. 36 plus 29. Next, 7 plus bracket 2 plus 5 and here dash plus 2 plus 5. Which number is not here? See here, 2 is there, 5 is there, but 7 is not there. So 7 will come here. So in the same way, you have to complete this whole exercise. So come to second one, complete using addition facts. 15 plus 0, as I told you earlier, when we add 0 to any number, the same number is the answer. 17 plus 0 is equal to 17. 57 plus 1 is equal to, this also I have told you, when we add 1 to any number, then answer is the next number. 57 plus 1 is equal to 58. 0 plus 18 is equal to 18. 78 plus 0 is equal to 78. 66 plus dash is equal to 67. The next number to 66 is 67. So which number will come here? 1 will come here to make it 67. Come to next one, complete the pattern. 10 plus 1. 1 is added to 10, so next number is 11. Here 11 plus 2 is equal to 13. 40 plus 1 is equal to 41. So in the same way, you have to complete this full exercise 6.2. So after the session, complete your work in your books and do the practice in notebooks. So with this, we will end our session. We will complete chapter 6 next week when we will meet again and continuing with the same chapter 6 edition. Hope you will revise and practice your maths work. Till then, stay home, stay safe.